Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting yet alarming topic: the water consumption of AI models like ChatGPT and Google's Bard. A recent study called Making AI Less Thirsty reveals some shocking numbers on this matter, so without further ado, let's get right. This study was conducted by researchers from the University of Colorado Riverside and the University of Texas Arlington. They measured and compared the environmental impact of AI training, which requires tons of electricity and water. The water is used to cool down data centers, which is crucial to keep them running. According to the study, Microsoft, which partnered with OpenAI, consumed an incredible 185,000 gallons of water just to train GPT-3. To put that into perspective, it's the same amount of water needed to cool a nuclear reactor. It's also equivalent to the water required to produce 370 BMW cars or 320 Tesla electric vehicles. And if they had trained GPT-3 in their larger Asian data centers, the numbers would have tripled. But wait, there's more. The paper also states that ChatGPT drinks a 500 milliliters bottle of water for a simple conversation of about 2,050 questions and answers. While that may not seem like much when you consider ChatGPT's billions of users, the water footprint becomes enormous. So where does all this water go? It comes from rivers, lakes, and other freshwater sources. The study focuses on water consumption, which is when water is lost through evaporation in data centers. But the good news is that the water isn't gone forever. It gets released into the air through cooling towers and eventually returns as rain. Data centers use water in various ways to cool their systems. The amount of water used depends on factors like location, design, and climate. There are two main types of cooling systems: air-cooled and water-cooled systems. Air-cooled systems use fans to circulate air around the servers, while water-cooled systems use water to absorb heat and transport it to an external cooling tower or chiller. Water-cooled systems consume more water but are more energy efficient and provide better cooling performance. Some data centers even use recycled or reclaimed water to minimize consumption. It's safe to say that tech giants are aware of the water consumption issue. However, with the increasing reliance on AI, it's essential to act early and reduce the water footprint of these systems before they pose a more significant threat to the environment. That's all for today, folks. We hope this video shed some light on the water consumption of AI models like ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. See you in the next video.